In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select and copy the contents of a PDF file to your workbook in Excel. I have a button here linked to my macro, and it's called Download PDF. So I'm going to click on this button, and then it's going to ask me to select a PDF. This is a list of shortcuts that I had for a Word file that I taught long ago. And so I'm going to select this one. And now it's going to open up the PDF and it's going to download it into my Excel. There is one bug with this code. If I ran it again, it would not work. If I close down the file, it will work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close down the file, open it back up again, and then I'm going to walk through the code with you. So now I have closed and reopened my file, and now let's go through the code. So the sub is called Download PDF, and so let's F8 through it. And so then we've declared a few values at the top here. Now we're setting our active workbook worksheet name pdfdown to our worksheet. The next line is you're telling it where the program files Adobe Acrobat is stored on your computer. Okay, then what it's doing is it's wanting you to select a file that's only PDF is the only thing it's offering. And so then it says if you don't pick a file, then we're going to end here. So we're going to click this, and it's going to bring up my Windows box to select my file, and then we're going to go through it, PDF file and path name, active workbook file, and now it's going to open this. It's opening it in the background, and then it's copying it, and then it's calling close PDF, and this is my little sub function that's closing the macro, or it's closing the application of Acrobat. And then it's hiding it, and then it's ending it, and then it's going back to my screen updating false. We're going to activate our worksheet. We're going to clear contents. We're going to select day one, and we're going to paste. And then we're going to display alerts equals true. So now if we go back to our sheet, we can see that we have downloaded our PDF to our workbook. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.